Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mixed vegetables using an easy method. First, let's talk about preparation. You can use either fresh or frozen vegetables, whatever is easiest for you. If using fresh, make sure to wash them thoroughly and chop them into similar bite-sized pieces for even cooking. This ensures every bite is perfectly tender. Have your favorite seasonings ready, perhaps a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a sprinkle of garlic powder to enhance their natural flavors. Now let's get cooking. For a quick stovetop method, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add your prepped vegetables and sauté for about 5 to 7 minutes until tender crisp. Alternatively, for roasting, toss your vegetables with 1 tablespoon of oil and spread them on a baking sheet. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. This method brings out a lovely caramelized flavor. Seasoning is key to delicious mixed vegetables. After cooking, or even before roasting, sprinkle them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy. For an aromatic touch, consider adding dried herbs like oregano, thyme, or a handful of fresh chopped parsley. A little garlic powder or onion powder also works wonders. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice just before serving can really brighten all the flavors, making them pop. Your easy mixed vegetables are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately as a colorful and nutritious side dish to almost any meal. They pair wonderfully with grilled chicken, baked fish, or even mixed into a grain bowl for a complete meal. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped herbs like chives or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. This simple method ensures you have delicious, healthy vegetables on your table in under 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.